Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are taking a look at the incredible robot vacuum and mop combo. This 2-in-1 robot vacuum cleaner is a game changer when it comes to keeping your floors clean and pristine. With its Tangle-Free cyclone suction and scheduled cleaning feature, this robot vacuum and mop combo ensures that your floors are always spotless. Whether you have pets or low carpets, this powerful cleaner can handle it all with ease. But that's not all. This smart robot vacuum also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity and is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you hands-free control over your cleaning schedule. Plus, with the sleek design and ultra-thin profile, this vacuum and mop combo can effortlessly reach every nook and cranny of your home. And the best part? With a runtime of up to 100 minutes and a brushless motor, this robot vacuum cleaner is built to last and provide long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual vacuuming and let this intelligent cleaning companion take care of the hard work for you. So, if you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner and more convenient home, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your own robot vacuum and mop combo today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.